Hello, my dear friends. I am sure that you all would be doing fine. Today, I will be sharing with you all a very simple solution in case your Wi-Fi is not working in Windows 10. Friends, sometimes when we start our laptop, we see that the Wi-Fi driver is not loaded properly, and just because of this our internet is not functioning properly. So in this case, what we will do, we will simply go to search and type device manager there. Now we will click on device manager, and the dialog box of device manager will open in front of us. Friends, if we go to network adapters and see, we will see a triangle warning sign in front of our wireless network adapter driver. So what we will do, we will just simply right click on this and a menu will pop up. There we will click on disable device, and this is how we will disable this device, and it will ask us whether we want to disable this device or not. We will click on yes. Again we will right click on wireless network adapter settings, and it will show us enable device option. So now we will click on enable device to enable this device, and if you will go to notifications area, which is on the bottom side of your uh, laptop screen, on the right hand side of the taskbar, and if you will click there on notifications, we will see that the network option has appeared again, so that we can choose the our Wi-Fi network from there, and it will start working. Friends, there are other methods also to do the same thing, but in other cases what I have observed is that we need to restart our system, and if we follow this process to enable our Wi-Fi again, so we will there is no requirement of restart the system, as you can see if you will try it yourself. And that's it, friends. I hope you must have enjoyed and learned, and in case there is any difficulty or suggestion, you can write in the comment below. I will try to uh, answer all the queries, and I will take